In this video, we introduce SAP Document and Reporting Compliance for Cambodia, powered by Crimson Technology Partners. As Cambodia advances its electronic invoicing and digital reporting requirements, starting with mandatory B2G transactions, staying compliant with local tax authority specifications is critical. Built directly within SAP ecosystem, our localized e-document solution automates the generation, enrichment, and transmission of compliant XMLs to the Cambodian tax authority. You benefit from a single, global process for your B2G transactions, compatible with both ECC and S/4HANA on-premise, private cloud editions. Now let's move into the system and see the Cambodian scenario in action. Now, let's transition into the system to show you how this works in practice. Welcome to the e-document cockpit in SAP. This cockpit acts as a central control tower for all documents created and issued to your customers, with a complete record stored for each transaction. First, we navigate to the cockpit using Transaction e-Document Cockpit, where we can filter by country and focus on Cambodia. Here you can see examples of documents that have already been successfully exchanged between the business and the local tax authority, all visible from a single screen. From the cockpit, we can drill directly into a specific document to view the underlying billing document and its relationship tag. You can immediately see how the e-document has been correctly tagged against the relevant billing document, ensuring clear auditability and traceability. Now let's process a live example. On a separate screen, we create an SD document and then generate the corresponding billing document. Once we save, SAP automatically creates the e-document and updates the e-document cockpit in real time, ensuring that what you see in the cockpit exactly matches what is reported to the Cambodian tax authority. A quick refresh of the cockpit shows that the new document has appeared with created status. At this point, the system has generated a compliant XML aligned with the schema and technical requirements of the Cambodian tax authority and populated all mandatory data needed for successful submission. From here, we can open the XML to review the content and confirm that all key fields and tax-relevant information are present. Once we are ready, we simply click on Submit, which sends the document electronically to the local tax authority for validation and authorization. As the process completes, the cockpit updates the status to show a successful response, confirming that the document has been accepted by the Cambodian tax authority. This entire exchange, from submission request to response message, is stored in SAP for full audit readiness. As with any standard SAP solution, the full audit history is recorded. In the document history, we can see all status changes, including creation, send request, sending, approval, and the final response from the tax authority. Both the request and response are archived in XML format, enabling detailed technical and business-level traceability. For further verification, we can drill down again from the cockpit into the billing document and document flow. This allows you to follow the full chain, from the original SD document through billing, accounting, and the e-document itself, using only the cockpit, without needing to navigate separate transactions like VF03. Finally, the cockpit layout can be easily personalized using standard SAP features, so you can adjust columns and reporting views to match your operational and compliance needs. The e-document cockpit is fully extractable, intuitive, and very easy to use for your Cambodian e-invoicing processes. In summary, Crimson Technology Partners' localized solution for Cambodia, using SAP Document and Reporting Compliance Framework, helps your organization stay ahead of evolving Cambodian tax authority mandates by automating the full e-document lifecycle. From real-time cockpit updates to compliant XML generation and digital submission, we remove manual complexity and reduce compliance risk. Whether you're running ECC or S/4HANA, you can oversee your Cambodian e-invoicing and reporting from a single, unified SAP cockpit, fully aligned with your global compliance strategy. Thank you for watching this demonstration. We look forward to supporting your journey towards scalable, future-proof electronic invoicing in Cambodia. For more information, please reach out to our team or visit our website.